Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing a calm space and a reliable mic. This reduces noise before you even hit record. Once done, position the mic 6-12 inches from your mouth and set gain so peaks sit around -6 to -12 dB. This prevents clipping and preserves dynamics. Make a 10 to 20 second test recording and listen back for sibilance, plosives, or room echo. If you hear issues, adjust distance, use a pop filter, or change room placement. Now you're ready to begin the full take. You'll record in sections to keep performance fresh and simplify editing. Start with a clean bass take and then layer corrections or emphasis as separate tracks. This gives you flexibility when assembling the final cut. Use 24-bit, 48K HC to balance quality and file size and maintain consistent gain staging so levels match between takes. Make incremental saves and export interim backups. Once you have all sections, align and crossfade clips to remove clicks and keep the pacing natural. This avoids abrupt changes in tone. You finish by balancing the mix. Apply light compression to even dynamics, then use subtractive EQ to remove muddiness and gentle boosts for presence. Once balanced, normalize peaks to about -1 to -0.5 dB to protect headroom. Export as an MP4 with AAC audio for broad compatibility. Make sure video frames match audio length and re-render if needed. If you encounter distortion or sudden level jumps, check clip gain, look for hidden automation, and re-record only the affected lines to preserve the rest of your work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.